and welcome to this video tutorial on how you can embed your LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code on your WordPress site. Now, the LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code is relevant for a number of reasons. First, so that you can apply custom styling to your embedded content. Second, it makes your embedded content responsive across all platforms. Third, it ensures that your website pop-up activates on your website or on the page where you have your LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code installed. Fourth, it's relevant to ensure that your URL redirect in your quiz works properly. Okay, so that's why you need to embed your LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code on the page or pages where you either want to have a quiz embedded or you want to have website pop-up activated. Okay, now to do this, first things first, log into your LeadQuizzes tree account, go to your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you can see embed and tracking. Click on that. Now in here, you'll see the embed and tracking code, all right, for this particular account, website account. Now copy this code, okay. Now next, you go to your WordPress admin panel, okay. Now you go to plugins, you click on plugins. Now, there are two plugins we usually recommend that you can make use of to have your LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code embedded on your website. Now, the first is the Sogo Ad Script plugin, which you can use to have the LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code on the header and footer of individual pages on your website. Okay, now second is the header and footer script plugin, which you can use to have the LeadQuizzes tree embed and tracking code global to the entire pages on your website. So for this particular tutorial, we're going to be making use of the header and footer script plugin, which you use to make the embed and tracking code of LeadQuizzes global to your entire website. So under plugins, you go to add new. You go to the search tab, you click on header and footer script. All right. Now this is it right here. This is what the icon looks like. You click on install now and then activate. All right. Now, once you've done that, let me just move this to the left. Now, once you've done that, if you go under settings, let me just move this some more to the right. If you go under settings, you can now see the plugin in which you just installed and activated, header and footer scripts. So if you click on this, all right, now you have the space in which you can embed your header scripts and you have another space for footer. All right, so I'm going to embed my script in the header, so Ctrl V, and then finally I'm going to save it. All right, so this is basically how you can have your LeadQuizzes embed and tracking code installed on your WordPress website. Now this way, this particular code using the plugin I just made use of is global to the entire pages on my website. So right now, if I want to move on to embedding the quiz content, I just have to go into the pages and have the embed code in there. Okay, have a great day. Bye.